We have been excitedly anticipating the debut of Apple's next generation of noise-canceling headphones ever since the AirPods Pro was introduced in 2019 to positive reviews. We waited impatiently for the next generation version with all of its upgrades for several days during the Apple period. The eagerly anticipated Apple AirPods Pro 2 was just introduced by Apple, thus that day has finally come. It also has a few brand new features, as was to be expected. Hey guys, welcome to Krrazzy Tech. In this video, we'll be talking about the new features in the new AirPods Pro 2. The video will be amazing, so stick to the end. Before starting the video, smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. AirPods Pro are already known for their superb active noise canceling. Thanks to the new H2 chip and well-considered placement of acoustic vents and microphones, Apple has delivered up to double the efficiency of its ANC with the new AirPods Pro 2. To produce even more detail and clarity across a wider range of frequencies, AirPods Pro 2 also receives a brand new low distortion driver and a bespoke amplifier to power it. According to Apple, these are the most sophisticated AirPods yet. AirPods Pro 2 has touch controls on the stems, which enables gestures and lets you control volume using a single swipe. The new AirPods Pro now has a significantly longer battery life and can last up to 30 hours without the charging case and 6 hours on a single charge, which means the battery life has increased by 6 hours from the previous generation, which was around 4.5 hours on a single charge and 24 hours total. Personalized spatial audio is one of the enhancements to spatial audio in AirPods Pro 2022. To provide the best sounding spatial experience, everyone can go in and develop a customized spatial audio profile suitable for their own particular ear. To create a customized profile, you would need iOS 16 or iPad OS 16 on an Apple device with a camera and the new AirPod Pros. It will use true depth camera sensors to create a 3D map of your ears. This type of technology is probably comparable to the 3D audio technology for the PlayStation, which offers programmable spatial audio profiles. For individuals with smaller ears, Apple is now including a new XS or extra small ear tip in addition to the standard 3 ear tips that come with the AirPods Pro. Apple claims that a good fit plays a significant role in the passive noise cancellation of the AirPods Pro. This was all for today. I hope you liked the video. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. Stay safe, and we will be right back soon with another video. For more awesome content, subscribe and watch other videos from our channel.